If you want to generate reports like this with just one click, you are in right place. In this video I will show you how to automate your Excel report using the macro feature. Watch the video step by step. To start the report, click on View tab and click on Macro option and click on Record Macro. A new dialog box with the Record Macro will open. You can change the name of the macro. Next option is shortcut key. You can create your own shortcut key from here to run the macro and select this workbook. Click OK. Now you can see below the sheet name the recording is started. All the steps are recorded in the macro in the form of code. Now I will do some basic formatting to my data. Make it center. Now select all the data and use the shortcut key Alt plus H plus OI. This will automatically adjust the width of your columns. Now I use these shortcut keys to change the format of the column because the column name is date. Select date, select your format, click OK. Next one is start time. Again Control Shift plus down arrow, Control 1, select time, click on your own format, click OK. Again end date, Control Shift down arrow, Control 1, select date and select your own format. So next column is end time. Again use the shortcut key Control Shift down arrow, Control 1 for format cells, select time and choose the format, click OK. Now let's add a new column with the name total hours, because we will use a formula in this column to calculate the time difference between end time and start time. Type equal and formula name as text. Choose the column of end time minus start time, comma. Now I give the format. This format is for time, I mean hours and minutes. Close the bracket and type enter. Now drag on. This will give you the total working hours in the hours and minute formats. It's a simple and effective way to summarize time worked in your report. Make sure all the steps you perform are recorded within the macro process. Make it to the center and double click to adjust this column. Once that's done, give your headers some formatting. I mean choose the color and font colors. Now select the entire data set by pressing Ctrl plus Shift right arrow plus down arrow and then apply borders to the selected data range. Now my table is ready and you can stop the macro by clicking here. Now your macro is recorded and you want to check, click on View tab, Macro and View Macro. You can see your macro is saved. You can run from here, but I will assign the button to this new data. So click on Insert tab, select rectangle shape. So this button is used to generate the report automatically with just one click. After draw the button, type generate report inside it and adjust it and change the format of the button so it look like a proper button. Now right click on your button, select assign macro. A box will appear. Choose the macro you recorded, click OK. So now we will check it work or not. Click on generate report and you will see the report is automatically generated with all formatting and calculation applied, similar to previous report. So this is a great trick for anyone who deals with repeated daily tasks in Excel. Like, share and follow for more tricks. Thank you.